Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the winner's drawing for the final days of summer. I was privileged to do another collaboration again with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts, and we created the final days of summer kit. Like it's saying in the name, it is summer theme inspired. And she had half in her shop and I had half in my shop. We still have. And there also comes the complete set. Full color pages also come in sepia. So when you have both kits, you have like 64 pages. And with the challenges, we had all the freebies. We had 3 challenges. The first challenge was making a ephemera suitcase holder. Not a suitcase holder, a suitcase ephemera holder. And the second week challenge was making a little travel note folio. I think I have it over here. And the final challenge was making an over the page envelope tuck spot pocket thingy. You saw me create this envelope file folder. I started off with one envelope and I made like a file folder for that. Well, not a file folder, a folder for that. That was this piece. I have a flip through video of the whole file full folio already on the channel. If you go to the playlist hashtag final days of summer, you see everything that I did during the collaboration using the pages, freebies and the kits. But this was the first envelope I started with. It is a large envelope, as you can see, and I folded it in 3. This is like a notepad. I have a pocket, another tag over here, and it also has a tag at the back. And then I created a sort of a folio from a file folder. Then I close this, put this in the folio over here. And this is the suitcase ephemera holder. This is the little travel notebook. I have 2. And I put these in. And yeah, I started adding more and more and more and more. So now I also have like a traveler's notebook over here. And this one also can go in here. And yeah, I added this. Over here. Another travel notebook folio photo album from the freebies. And then I have all these bits and pieces over here. Then I have a belly band over here with a postcard, and I made a large scrappy pad with fabric. And it seems ages ago since I made this, but it was actually not that long ago. This is my over the page flippy thing, not sure if you can see. And 2 over here. And it also flips open over here, and you have an envelope over here too. I made a closure of fabric with eyelets, and I had this piece in my stash, and I thought it would it looked a lot like the strap that was in Suzanne's kit. And then I have another pocket thingy over here. It's flipping, and it closes by putting in those strings in here, like so. And oh, there's also a postcard in here. I didn't show you that yet. And over here we have all the envelopes, the flippy envelopes with the tags inside. Another tag over here. Yeah, that's it. But like I said, this is the giveaway video, the winners drawing video. You can also see the other winners drawings on Terry Esley from Sweet Pea Papers channel. She's from the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. She did a challenge over there too, and she also is going to do a drawing with all the entries in that Facebook group. HCC, Haystack Crafty Corner, is going to do a winner's drawing too, so keep an eye on the channel of Tabitha Haynes, and I think Stacy Merritt is also doing. I think they're going to do something together. And Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts, the lady that I designed these kits with, she's doing, well, I think hers is already uploaded, but she has a giveaway, a winner's drawing too on her channel, and she used the same entries. She used the entries in LineDotArrow that were applicable to her drawing. And I'm going to do the winner's drawing now, but in order to do that, I need to put up my laptop a little, so I will be back. So here we are with the wheel of names. I'm going to spin 3 times. The first time is for the first prize, that is 3 digitals from my Etsy. If I pulled your name will be released completely from the wheel, so all the entries will be deleted. And then I'm going to draw the second prize winner, and after that name is known, I will also delete that name. And the third prize is one digital from my Etsy, and that's the third spin. So let's go ahead and do the first spin. And the first prize winner is Rose de Feo. Congratulations, Rose, you won 3 digitals. And I'm also going to put up my volume a little because it's very soft. So one moment. Okay, I set the volume a little louder. I also took out Rose de Feo in the name picker wheel. And now I'm going to spin the second prize, 2 digitals from my Etsy. Oh yeah, that's much better, the volume. The other one was very quiet. And the second prize winner is Stephanie Davis. You won 2 digitals from my Etsy. So congratulations, Stephanie. And I'm removing Stephanie Davis. And now I'm going for the third spin. And that is 1 digital from my Etsy store. And Misty Carr, you won 1 digital from my Etsy. Congratulations, Misty. So we have 3 winners now. Rose de Feo, the second one was Stephanie Davis, and the third prize winner was Misty Carr. I'm going to switch over to the desk, so one moment. So if you are one of the lucky winners, you can send me an email. It is LineDotArrow@gmail.com. You can also send me a message via Messenger, of course, and tell me which kit or kits you want to receive. It would be easiest for me if you really copy the links from the Etsy store into the message, because sometimes people say, oh yeah, give me the vintage book pages, and then I have like 5 kits that has vintage book pages in it, so I have to go back and forth to find out which one you mean. So if you have a link from the Etsy store and put it in the message, that would really help me, and it would be easier for me to send you the pages ASAP. Keep in mind that we have some time difference between us, so if you send me a message and it's in the evening for you, I'm probably in bed, so I will not respond anytime sooner than the next day for me. But also I want to say thank you to all the design team members, the guest design team members, and some of the guest design team members became design team members. So we added 2 new members to the design team members group, and also to all the people in the Facebook groups that jumped into all the challenges. I really appreciate it, and I'm pretty sure Suzanne does too. And thank you, Suzanne, for doing this collaboration again with me. And I'm looking forward to the next one. And maybe you already saw it, but Suzanne has a new fall kit, and she's going to do some challenges in the Facebook group too, in LineDotArrow. And she has a design team. And well, keep an eye on the Facebook group so you can join in and play along like you always do with LineDotArrow. Only this month it is with Suzanne. I am going to do something in the Facebook group, but I was on holiday, and as you may know, we had a little bit of a stressful week, which turned out to be positive news at the end. So, yeah, that's okay. There was something wrong with my husband, but it turned out it was not bad. So yeah, now I'm now able to think about crafting and do something. So I'm a little bbit behind. But that's okay. It's not a race. It's supposed to be fun. And as you may know, I have a new kit in the shop I showed you in a previous video, where I also told you the bad news about my husband. So, but that news is gone. That is not. It's okay. So, but I'm quickly going to show you a few of the pages, so you can see. Lots and lots of different patterns in it. These are my favorites. Lots and lots of mushrooms, and specimen slides, specimen card slides, specimen cards, tags, a lot of, oh, I'm skipping a few journal pages. Maybe I should do it this way. So a lot of how do you call it? Red, brown colors, greens, mushrooms, forest, children, collage sheets, of course. I really like making these and using these. And yeah, this is the kit, 25 pages. And it is available in my Etsy, and it's on sale. And I also have a sale going on with all the fall autumn themed other kits that I already had in my shop. They're all with 50%. And if you want to join in with the challenge that is going on in Haystack Crafty Corner, make sure you hop over there, because they're doing an autumn fall themed bingo challenge. And I will link the Facebook group down below, but you should check their Facebook group and see what it's all about. And for their challenge, and also for the LineDotArrow Facebook group members, I have Facebook freebies available. And they are available also on my Ko-fi page. And you can download them from the link in HCC, and you can download them from the link in LineDotArrow. It is free. There are freebies, but if you are on my Ko-fi page, you see an option to pay what you want. So in case you want to support my channel and my work, you can add an amount of, well, whatever you prefer on that spot. But if you just skip and go ahead, you purchase the kit for €0. So it's still a freebie. So the payment is optional. Only for the freebies. I have some other kits over there too, but they are there for, well, small prices, to be honest. But these are the freebies that we can use. And in the Facebook groups, because it's also there in Haystack Crafty Corner. And we have these photo frames and a set of tags. And this is my favorite. Well, actually these two are. So yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this. Also a little late throwing them in the groups. but it all had to do with the circumstances we were in, waiting for the test results. But they came back positive, so everything is okay. And the other thing I want to say is that you all had a chance to fill in a poll. I don't know if you call it a poll in English too, but you can say, okay, I added 3 options what I should do for the next project. And I think the altered book is leading at the moment. I'm going to check what I'm going to check. How is it called? I'm going to check the post where it is in, but I can't find it right away. I think it's right down below. Where are you? Oh gee, it's taking. Oh, I have it here. This is the post, and one of the helpers is jumping on the desk. But at the moment, it seems like Altered Book is winning, because that is with 58%. So I think I will be making an Altered Book. I did a check if I had books that I could use, and I do. I have 2 books that will fit perfectly. Yeah, I'm going to do the Altered Book, and one of the next videos you will see me make a start with the Altered Book, and it's going to be in a playlist, and the playlist is going to be #AutumnArrived. And it would be fun if you all join in making an Altered Book too and show them in the Facebook group. It's not a challenge, so it's not about posting a lot, and the more you post, the more entries you have. But I will do something like a giveaway and a winner's drawing at the end of this month. And I will do that by picking names from your entries, or your posts in the Facebook groups. So it is not a challenge month, but it is something you you can win something, and you can show off your work, because I really want to see your takes on an altered book. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, maybe you want to give it a thumbs up. Visit the Facebook group, visit my Ko-fi page, make sure you visit the Haystack Crafty Corner, make sure you follow along with the challenges from Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. She's doing this month in LineDotArrow, and this one is going to be in my Etsy, and I have more things that I need to put in my Etsy. And I also have, like I said, a little giveaway prize winning thingy going on in this month in LineDotArrow with the Altered Book. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.